In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage labels on your Trello cards. Labels are a simple, color-coded way to categorize work, call out priorities, and make your boards easier to scan at a glance. By the end, you'll know how to find the right label quickly, apply it to a card, and create a brand new label with a clear title and color that fits your workflow. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. Choose the board where you want to work. Once the board loads, pick the specific card you want to organize. This might be a task, a feature request, or anything you track on that board. Click the card to open its details. Inside the card, look for the Labels option in the sidebar. This opens the Label panel, which shows all available labels on this board. At the top, you'll see a search field. Use this to quickly find a label by typing a keyword or part of the label's name. Searching is especially helpful on busy boards where there are many labels. If you see the label you need, click it to apply it to the card. Labels are color-coded, so choose the color that matches your team's conventions, such as red for urgent or green for ready to go. You can apply more than one label if that helps clarify status or category. Clicking an applied label again will remove it, so you can refine the card's tags without leaving the panel. If the right label doesn't exist yet, create one directly from this panel. Select the option to create a new label. Give your label a clear, concise title that makes sense to your team, like Priority, High, Bug, or Waiting on Review. Then select a color for the label. Pick something distinct from your other labels so it stands out and doesn't get confused with existing categories. When you're done, save it, and the label will appear in the list and be ready to apply to the card you're working on. A couple of quick best practices as you go. Keep label names short but descriptive, stay consistent with color meanings across boards, and use the search bar whenever you're unsure if a label already exists. That will help you avoid duplicates and keep things tidy. Over time, this consistency makes filtering and scanning cards much faster. And that's it. You've opened your board and card, used the Labels panel to find and apply existing labels, and created a brand new label with a title and a color that fits your system.